Let's discuss a common data question from heat transfer. So this is question number 1 of that common data question. What is given is 1D heat transfer across a slab with thermal conductivity K and thickness L. You are asked to consider that it's a 1D heat transfer and the steady state temperature distribution is of the form T is equal to A x cube plus B x square plus Cx plus D. Okay, so we assume that the heat generation is existing in the slab. So let's now write down a governing equation for 1D heat transfer. Now, if you recall the general equation is d square T by dx square plus d square. I should write dou because it's depending on many variables. So I'm just writing out the general equation and then I'll just sum it up. Reduce it to what is asked. So this is heat generation term Q dot by K plus the rho C dou T by dou T. So this is general 3D heat conduction, 3D heat conduction equation. Now because it's 1D, so these two terms are 0, and because it's steady state, so the temperature doesn't depend on time. So ultimately we get d square T by dx square plus Q dot by K is equal to 0. And the first part of the question says that you need to find out Q dot. So Q dot is, so let's first, let's just you need to just take the double derivative of, okay, temperature, double derivative. So if you take the first derivative with temperature, you get 3ax square plus 2bx, because it's bx square, so 2bx plus cx, so c, d will not be there, and plus this is plus q dot by k is equal to 0. If you take the another time derivative, it is 6ax plus 4bx. Sorry, there has to be x only. This is no, because bx square, when you take the derivative, this was 2bx. So when you take the second time derivative, it becomes only 2b. Okay, and plus q dot by k is equal to 0. Now the q dot, when you take to that side, it's minus k 6ax plus 2b. So at x is equal to L by 2, you want at the mid of the slab, so L by 2 plus 2b. So this value is minus k 3a L plus 2b. So 3al plus 2b with the minus sign, minus k. So let's look at the option. The option is B, because it's minus. So the option is B, minus K 3al plus 2b. So this is just, you need to just remember this governing equation, and this is just the calculation. Thank you.